Well, I guess we'll be using this one anymore. What's going on? Finishing up a busy week, guys. Got to get these benches ready for stain. Special order stain. It's coming in tomorrow. Haven't had a chance to edit the video yet on my roof. We'll get to it. I'll show you a couple details real quick. Got some hardware in. Still waiting for my trolley for my hoist. FedEx is supposed to deliver it, but hadn't gotten here yet. We got these benches. It's a pretty simple process, guys. Just a few tools. Of course, we got the chainsaw, angle grinder. I use a real heavy grit. Paddle bit, and my secret weapon right here. "12-inch Olylog screws." I'll get another video ready for you soon. Later. Hey, did you hear that? It's still dinging. I just don't have a screen. It's a 12-inch screw. It's called an Olylog.